Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have something special coming to Tennessee on Monday, March 11th, and this is going to be hosted by Middle Tennessee Association of Realtors. It's going to be open to everybody, and this is going to be a hands-on workshop type environment on that day from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So bring your laptops, bring your tablets. In the morning session, we're going to be doing Generate More Leads for free. This hands-on workshop has generated the record over $500,000 for one business owner in 1 year. So come learn how to do the same exact thing and break that record. Then we're going to take our lunch break at noon. We'll come back at 12:30 with ChatGPT for your business. And we're going to be going in and talking, of course, ChatGPT, but it's going to be AI in general. We're going to go in and talk about some other programs that have AI built in their system and how you can use that to build and grow your business. We also have a Zoom option. So if you can't join us in person, you can join via Zoom. CE credit will not be applicable for the Zoomers, but if you know some friends, some family, some business acquaintances that are interested in this and they can't join in person, they can always join via Zoom. It is open to every business owner that's out there. So I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday, March 11th. See you then.